So this is an artist, okay, and he is going to draw something, okay. So what he has drawn here, as you can see, what is it? What is it?
A
It's
house.
a house.
A house, sir.
Very good. So with the help of coding, we can draw a house, okay. But as you are in class 5, I will start from the basics, okay. We will draw something like a square or triangle, okay. So do you know what is a square?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me something about a square.
The square has 4 angles
Okay, 4 angles, okay.
and 4 sides.
4 sides, very good. Okay, let me ask a very simple question to you. What will happen if we draw this, when we drag this pencil? This boy is holding a pencil. If he drags this pencil on the paper, what will happen? It will draw a line
Yes, sir. It will draw line.
like what you do in your real life. When you have to draw something, you put your pencil in your hand, okay, and you just trace or drag that pencil on the paper, white paper, okay,
Yes, sir.
and line will be drawn, or it will trace the path, okay. In the similar way, let's see what this artist will do when we give it some command like move forward and this one. Okay. So I will explain you this coding also, but just see what is going to happen. Okay, what is happening? It's drawing a line. Okay, if I remove this code, it is still on the single
Line.
point. Okay, and when I just adding this code, it is drawing a line. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in order to draw a line in the computer, we need to code it, na? Like I have coded here. Okay. So let us suppose if I say no, computer understand whatever I say to it. Okay. It don't needs any coding. It can communicate with us like why we are communicating. Okay. We are communicating in English. It can communicate in the same way. So I'm just going to say artist draw a line. But artist does not have drawn a line, है ना? आर्टिस्ट ने कोई ड्रॉ
Yes, sir.
लाइन ड्रॉ की
नहीं, sir.
नहीं सर क्यों हमने कहा लेकिन इसे ड्रॉ नहीं किया क्यों क्योंकि ये हमारी बात को नहीं समझता ये क्या समझता है इट्स अ कंप्यूटर इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर ओके
Yes, sir.
इट अंडरस्टैंड और व्हाट कोडिंग और जब हम इसे कोडिंग से कहेंगे कि ड्रॉ अ लाइन लाइक इट्स ड्रॉन इट जैसे हमने कहा वैसे मतलब जैसे हमने कोड किया वैसे उसने कर दिया इसका मतलब क्या है computer understand coding not our own languages okay that's why we need coding coding is a way of communicating with computers okay so ये definition आपको और भी clear हो गई
Yes, sir.
okay the definition is making sense to you okay fine so let's you know that whenever we move in front or in forward motion okay so basically artist is moving in forward direction okay and what does this pixels mean there's a question in your mind what does this pixels mean pixels is basically a unit okay like when you draw a line there's a unit called centimeter okay when you
Yes.
go on the roads you say your school is like your school is maybe 1 kilometer 2 kilometer far away from your house okay you know that hello
Yes, sir.
Arthur? So do you know that centimeter meter or kilometer have you heard about it
Yes, sir.
so all these things are kya what units similarly here we have a unit called pixels okay like in your phone you have a you know that pictures are always captured in the pixels like your phone is yeah, my phone is have a 13 megapixel 26 megapixel camera have you heard about it whenever we talk about the camera we tell it like it has a that much pixels okay so what is it it's just a unit of measurement of a picture okay because pictures are made up of very small dots okay and these dots are measured in form of what pixels so in drawing we use unit what pixels is it okay
Pixels.
Okay, let us
Yes,
suppose
sir.
if I want to make this line more bigger, what I should do? I should just increase pixels like I've done 200
Yes,
line.
sir.
Okay, if I make it only like 20, a small line, okay, thick. Are you getting it?
Yes,
So
sir.
as small as the pixels unit, this unit number, the smaller will be the line. Thick, okay. Now, if I let us suppose I'm taking it, you tell me how much I should take, 100 or 50?
100.
100, very good. Okay. Suppose I have to move it for. So, in order to make a square, as you told, it has a how many sides? 4 sides.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, in order to make a square on a paper, what do? You draw one line, then you either move
Make
your pencil
4
down
lines.
or up.
4 lines.
Okay. So, here we need to move our pencil upward. Okay. Is it okay? Or you want to make
Yes,
this
sir.
pencil move downward? What?
Upward, sir.
Upward? Okay. So whenever we need to make that upward, downward, or right, left directions, we need to use another kind of blocks. See, all these are the blocks, and they have all the codes. We need to just pick the codes from here and drop it here. Okay. So we will use another action like. Just tell me one thing. Whenever you need to move upward, okay, and just assume yourself at the place of this artist, okay? Just assume yourself at this place of artist. So if you are standing at this place of the artist and you need to move upward, in which direction you will turn? Towards your right or towards your left?
Left, sir.
Left, very good. See, if someone is here, it definitely gonna turn to its left. That's why I used turn left. But the second most important thing is but how much pixels? Hmm? How many
So,
degree? How many degree?
90 degree.
90 degree? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So you know the angles also. Very good. So intelligent. See, when we, as soon as we have done it 90 degree, it's the artist has turned towards upward direction. Okay. If I make it 180, what will happen? It will retrace its path. Okay. So I'm just making
Yes,
it
sir.
90 degree. Okay. Or what we can do? We can type also now here. There's another
Yes,
option.
sir.
We can use our keyboards. Very good. Now again we need to move forward.
Yes, sir.
Then again turn. Okay. So now I am giving control to you after this action block. Okay. I am giving control to you, my screen to you. And now you will code the remaining part of it. Okay. So I'm going to give you the control. There must be option. Santosh. Okay. Accept.
Put a-
Some messages popping up on your screen.
No, sir.
No
Ah,
message.
sir, it's coming. It's coming.
No, no, yes, you are controlling your screen, controlling my screen now. So now the remaining codes you will do, okay? So just tell me
Yes.
what the artist needs to do now. It's again wants to turn, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then it will make a line. So now it will turn right or left?
Left, sir.
Left. Very good.
Left, sir.
So yeah, put the block, pick the block from the actions. There's an option called actions. Actions. Very good. Okay, just go again. Just click on the action, okay, and move your cursor towards your right. Yeah. Turn left. Very good. Drag and just drop below it. Move. Yeah. Just leave it. Okay. So, again, pick it. Yeah, just leave it. Whenever it's come yellow, na becomes the outer line becomes yellow. Just draw that. Okay, it's just it gets attached. And now you need to set what degree. Degree is basically what explained to us. You know that? Kyun?
Sir,
Arthur?
don't.
Basically degree tells us in how much angle we have to rotate. Okay, like I am in front of you, and if I turn like this, so how much degree I have turned?
90.
90 degree. Very good. 90 degree towards my left. And if I will turn like this, and I will turn 90 degree towards my right. Okay, so whenever there is a rotation, okay, we measure it in angles. You can type also. Okay, just click on there. Ah, perfect. Very good. So Arthur, you are so intelligent, no? You have understand the basic concepts very fast. Now the second step will be what? It needs to move again.
Forward.
Very good. No, 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 not jump. If it will jump, what will happen? You know that? It will not draw the line. It will just jump to that point, whichever you told it.
Sir, I have to move forward or?
Yeah, you need to move forward. Just remove this block, jump forward. Yeah.
Sir, how can I remove?
Yeah, just click on it and drag it towards your left, like block section. Towards the block section. There's a dustbin over here. It's gone. Go to actions. Okay, these all the things are the actions now. Like you're telling it to move forward, turn left. Like I'm telling you some actions. Okay. Yes, as you told me, sir, turn right. I will turn right. Sir, move forward. I will move forward. So you are commanding, and I'm doing actions. Okay. In the same way here, it means actions are basically what we command. Right. Actually, the sequencing has moved. Okay, you need to just make the again sequencing same. Yeah, drag it. Just click on the turn left. Yeah, that block, the block, the last block. Okay, just drag it. Okay, okay, no issues. I'm just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Oh, what you have done? No issues. Just a minute. Huh? See, we will detach this block and we will attach it here. Okay, fine. Next turn left. Next needs to move forward. I'm attaching it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you the control. Okay. Now you need to set what? Pixels. So
100 pixels.
if we need to make a square, the pixels will be same. That is what? 100. Oh, it's one. 100. 100. 100. Very nice. Very good. 90. Very good. Then again what? We will move forward.
Forward.
Very good.
Downward.
So you have done this artwork before also? Have you done
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So So do you know how to reduce these steps? Okay, first complete this. First complete it. Oh, this is just click on that block. Yeah, just no, not in the dustbin. Yeah, yeah. And again, this on the second block. Second, move forward by 100 pixels. Just click on it. Yes, very good. Upgrade. Just click on the upgrade. Click on upgrade. Okay. So Arthur, have you seen that what I should write here? 100.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now the square has done. Okay. Artist has made the square. Okay. We can see it very good quickly. So do you know how to change the color? If you want to make it red, how we can do that? Like, what is your favorite color?
Sir, in the brushes.
Yeah.
In the brushes we have to go.
In the brushes we have to go. Very good. And what? Set color.
Red.
Right. So I should use this set color at the last, in between, or at the beginning?
Sir, in the last.
At the last, in the starting, or in between?
In the last, sir.
No. Okay, let's see. Will that do it? No. It's black. It's not red now. Why so? Because let us suppose you make your drawing, okay, and after that you pick up the red color. So will your drawing will be on the red color? No. You need to put your red sketch first and then draw it with that particular color. No? Like you first, let us suppose if you want to make a fish on a white paper, okay, and you want to make that fish in the red in color, okay.
Yes.
So just tell me one thing, whether we have to pick the red sketch pen before drawing the fish or after drawing the fish? Before, na?
Before drawing.
Before.
Yes, sir. Before drawing.
First we take the sketch pen in our hand, then we will draw. If we take the red sketch pen, it will draw red, drawing red square. If we will just change it color to the blue, the color will be blue. Okay, now tell me something like how you can make this square bigger if I want to make this square bigger one, not this much smaller. What I should do?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, no shoes. See how much pixels we have moved? 100?
100. Yes.
So if we want to make this square bigger one, we're definitely gonna move more pixels.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So just see, if I make it 150, okay, but I need, as you know, in a square, all the sides are same. All sides are
No, sir.
No. See, in a square, when we need to make a square, it's a property of a square that all the sides are equal in size. Okay, so all the pixels will be also what? 150 and 150. You can see my screen now. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Yes, sir. Yes.
square sizes become larger.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us suppose if you want to make it a small square, what do you need to do? Just what?
We have to minus.
Just reduce the pixels, like I'm doing it
We have
to.
to minus 100.
Yeah.
100.
100 was the
100.
original point, original size. Okay. If you want to make it 50, what I will do? Just write it here. What? 50. And the same we will do in all the codes. Okay. all the pixels will be what? 50.
50.
The square has become smaller. Okay. So let us suppose we will just make it original, okay, so that it can visible to you on your screen nicely. So have you understand how we can change the the dimension of the figure, how we can change the color of the figure?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know that we can even make it in a pattern, like it is in simple line now? You can make it in a
Yes.
different patterns also. Okay. Where are they? Are they in brushes?
Yes.
Like if I want to make a square with elephant, okay, a square with a elephant, you can do that also. So there's lots of thing you can do here, okay, but our basic aim was to make a figure like a square. So we have done it because we have lots more thing to do in this session. Okay, when you join our classes, we will do lots more other things also. So okay, see, right. So do you know how to make a triangle with the coding? Yep. Do you know triangle? What is a triangle?
No.
Hmm? Okay, leave it. Just
Yeah.
do you know the how we can just reduce these kinds of code? We have written the move forward 100 pixel, turn left 90 degree, again move forward. We are repeating our steps now. Like the see, this is step move forward by
Yes.
100 pixel and turn left by 90 degree. Okay. Again we are writing the same step move forward by 100 pixels and turn left by 90 degree. Again move forward by 100 pixel, turn left, move forward. So we are repeating our steps. Am I right? We are repeating our steps
Yes,
now.
sir.
So whenever like at your home, let us suppose if I say to you like, Arthav, go and bring me one glass of water. Okay. So you go and you bring one glass of water. Okay. Whenever when you reach up to me, okay, with a tumbler, with a glass of water, I again told you, Arthab, go again, okay, and bring me another glass of water, okay. After some time, and if I am just repeating this action, or you can this task, or to you again and again, after some time you will say, sir, please tell me one time how much glass of water you want, okay? Am I right? And you will go
Yes.
at once and bring all those glass of water. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes, sir.
that the same thing we do in our coding also. Whenever we need to do the same task again and again, okay, whenever we need to do the same task again and again, we use loops. We use repeat. Okay. Like if I want to do the same task again and again, like 2 times. So I will repeat the same task how many times? 2 times. Okay. See, here we can another at the last we can also add another action like turn left by 9 sorry, 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. So it doesn't making any changes in this square. Still the square is same.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm just detaching the blocks, different blocks, and just try to observe it. See, all these blocks are same now. This one
Yes.
is same as
Yes,
this
sir.
one, the same as this one.
Yes.
Okay. So all these
Yes.
blocks are same. So what we can do now? What we can do for this making it this simple? See, these steps are repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, and how much? See,
Four.
1, 2,
4 times.
3, 4 times. Very good. So we can use a repeat loop. Okay, and we need to repeat the task how many times? 4 times. Very good. And
4 times.
just remove the other codes. Okay. So now you can see that our codes have become very small now. We have written very small lines of code, less lines of code, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. Okay. And still we are able to make what?
Yes.
Our square. Is that right? So is it interesting?
Yes.
So this is called, you know that what?
Yes, sir.
Loop or repetition. Whenever we need to repeat the task again and again, okay, we use loop in the coding, okay. And at the beginning you can understand it with the repeat, okay, understanding by it.